Assalamu alaikum dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIVS Home School. I am Mizanur Rahman, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies of National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift, Bonasti, Dhaka. Today I am going to take Islamic Studies class. Today I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class 3. Our today's topic is chapter 4. Today's topic is chapter 4, page 53 to 57. Annual term, class 3rd. Okay, dear students, now we will start our lesson. Jazm. There are many letters in Arabic which does not have jabr, jair or pesh, but previous letters have them, or previous letters have jabr, jair or pesh. A sign is used to pronounce this letter with the harkats of previous letter. This sign is called jazm. Jazm sign is, first sign is as like as furnished V, and other sign of jazm is like this, comma, as like as comma. Another name of jazm is sakin. Another name of jazm is sakin. This sentence is very, very important. Another name of jazm is dash. This is one of the gaps. Another name of jazm is dash. Another name of jazm is sakin. For example, mim nun jabor man, mim nun jer min, mim nun pesh mun, man, min, mun. Okay, dear students, now we will start tashdid. Generally, when we want to pronounce two successive same letters at once in Bengali, we write them attached. For example, the word Allahu. Here the letters lam and lam are joined together. Look at these words. Amma, two mim together. Makkah, two k together. In Arabic language, when we want to pronounce any letter situated successively as like as the head of sin, this is called tashdid. This sign is called tashdid. Okay, dear students, this sign name is tashdid. Tashdid looks like the head of the letter sin. This is letter sin. This is letter sin. When we erase the body of sin, then it will be the sign of tashdid in Arabic. Okay, this sign is called tashdid. Tashdid look like the head of the letter sin. A letter with tashdid is pronounced twice. For example, alif mim jabor am, mim jabor ma, amma. Such as alif mim jabor am, mim jabor ma, amma. The letter of tashdid pronounced two times. Firstly with previous letters and secondly with his own harkat. Here a tashdid is on the letter mim of Arabic word. Amma, there is tashdid such as alif ba jabor ab, ba jabor ba, abba. Okay, dear students, now we will start formation of word. Formation of word. Book is a word. There are 4 letters in this word. B plus O plus O plus K. Book. Pen is a word. There are 3 letters in this word. P plus E plus N. Makkah is a word. There are 5 letters in this word. M plus A plus K plus K plus A. Makkah. Thus a word is formed by adding many letters together. For example, qalamun, qaf jabor qa, lam jabor la, mim di pesh mun, qalamun. In this word there are 3 letters. Qaf jog, lam jog, qaf plus lam plus mim, qalam. Makkah, mim kaf jabor mak, ka jabor ka, ta dui pesh tun, makkatun. In this word there are 4 letters. such as mim plus kaf plus ta, Makkah. Okay, dear students, like this, there are a lot of words are formed from the Arabic language. Okay, now we'll start hurufs of mad. There are some huruf of letters in Arabic language. There are some huruf of letters in Arabic language which are to be read in long breath. To read in long breath is called mad. Okay, dear students, it is the definition of mad. If come in the examination, what do you mean by mad? Then you have to give answer from here to here. There are some hurufs or letters in Arabic language which are to be read in the long breath. To read in long breath is called mad in Arabic language. There are three letters for mad. They are alif, waw and ya. Signs of mad are used with three letters. If there is only alif without zabur, jer and or pesh, etc., and there is a jabur on its right hand side. If there is a pesh on the right hand side of waw sakin, and a jer on the right hand side of ya or ya sakin, mad is applied. For example, ba, bu, bi. Okay, this letters pronouns will be long breath, such as ba alif zor ba, waw pesh bu, ba ya zar bi. Okay, dear students, now I will give HW. Definition of jazm and tashdid with example. Okay, dear students, write down definition of jazm. Definition of jazm and example. Example from, for example, here to here. So, definition of jazm is start here to here, and definition of tashdid here to here. This is the HW. Okay, dear students, you have to give your HW copy Sunday, and you have to submit an HW copy from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. to the school library, and your parents or any other guardians can be submit your HW copy. And you have to must do your HW very carefully, because it is very, very important for you. We will give the SBA marks and CT marks and diary marks also according to your performance of HW. So you have to be very careful about your HW. Okay, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home, avoid your parents, stay well, and see you again very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Very soon, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.